Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the mind-bending world of AI and something that's got creative minds buzzing. Copyright. Can AI-generated content be copyrighted? Is it stealing someone else's work? Buckle up, because this isn't a simple answer. First, let's talk copyright basics. Copyright protects original works created by humans, like your killer song lyrics or that epic blog post. Here's the rub. AI itself isn't a human, so its creations might not qualify for copyright protection on their own. Think of it like this. AI is a super-powered remix machine, feeding off massive amounts of data. But if that data is copyrighted, and the AI just copies big chunks of it, well, that could be copyright infringement. It's like taking someone else's song lyrics and calling them your own. Not cool. But wait, there's more. Who actually owns the copyright of AI-generated content? Is it the AI developer, the person who fed it the data, or maybe the one who gave it the prompt to create something? Lawyers are still debating this one. So, what can you do if you're using AI to create content? Focus on originality, push the boundaries. Use AI to generate unique ideas, not just rehash existing stuff. Be transparent. Let people know you're using AI. Don't be afraid to say it. Respect copyright. Make sure the training data you use is properly licensed or falls under fair use. Get legal advice. For complex situations, consult an intellectual property lawyer. They'll be your copyright superhero. The world of AI and copyright is a fascinating frontier. As AI continues to evolve, so will the laws surrounding it. But by being informed and responsible users, we can ensure AI helps us create amazing things while respecting the creativity of others. Let us know in the comments below. What are your thoughts on AI and copyright? Have you used AI to create content? Hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the exciting and sometimes mind-bending world of AI.